Well, welcome to another episode of Aston1936.com. Today I'm in the shop. I'm doing a kind of a commando style video, real quick one. I wasn't going to really record this, but I figured why not. As you know, I've been taking my interior components out because I'm fitting an Aston installation, the HD kit, and doing some other maintenance bits. But it's time to refurbish the leather a little bit. I wanted to give it a deep clean while I had it out of the car. So I have it sit up on a table here, and I'm going to shoot some time-lapse video of what I'm doing. And basically, I've just got a clean table set up here because I don't want to be laying my leather down on a dirty shop table. I'm going to work with a couple of pieces at a time, and I'm going to be using a leather cleaner and a leather conditioner. So basically, both of these are from a kit from Chemical Guys. I get their stuff off of Amazon. The kit included a nice soft brush that I can use for agitating the cleaner into the leather, some microfiber towels, and a microfiber applicator for the conditioner. So I'm basically going to go over and kind of clean off all the dust and bumps and scrubs and other little things that have happened to the leather over the last 17 years. I'm going to start on the lower seat back squabs. Because honestly, I just want to get familiar with using the tools and the cleaner, so these are a little bit more out of sight, and if I have some sort of mishap, I guess it won't be seen. So with that said, let's cut to the time lapse. Well, I've finished doing all the panels I've taken off. I ended up using, I actually didn't use I did use the microfiber applicator. It actually worked pretty good. I ended up using a small clean toothbrush to work on some of the smaller parts. Their horsehair or whatever the bristle brush is was actually really good for agitating the leather. And the leather cleaner was actually pretty mild. And the leather conditioner, wipes on with a tiny bit of gloss, and then you let it sit for a minute or two, then you wipe it off, and you get a really nice finish back on the leather. I don't know how well this is going to come through on the camera, but all the scuffs from my feet getting in and out that would bang up, against the door panels, and all my hand marks that were up here have all gone away now. So it's pretty terrific. So that's it. Now that they're cleaned up, I'm going to start getting organized to put them back in the car. Down in this corner of the screen, you're going to find a link to my companion blog article, where you're probably going to find links to the Chemical Guys leather cleaners and stuff like that. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you're probably going to find a link to my next video, which will probably be on installing the door panels. Go ahead and please click on subscribe and notify if you like to hear videos like this and get notified automatically when I release the next one. And as always, I'd love to hear your comments. Please leave those down below. Thanks for watching.